Cause you can't get more. And you don't stop. Cause you can't get more. And you don't stop. And rock, a show shot. Keep crossing on your ass, so what you get some. Listen everybody, cause I'm shit to get some. Fresh like W when I get my specs in. And on the microphone I come correct. Tell like a rock when I rock the hip hop. The top notch is what's up in the so far. I got the rhymes and I got right hands. And that's a lot because I got no chance. I got a hole in my head and there's no one to fix it. Gotta say my thoughts, I'm thinking too much. You gotta take it and take. Everybody's happy, got a card to play. I don't like the Perry and I'm Mary. Or break the microphone and then I'm gone. I'm like for Jody, I'm a T-Twizzy. Never quit, so watch you listen. Indeed, it's fun times. And you don't stop. And you don't stop. And you don't stop. That's all on the rock the show shot. I wanna say a little something that's long overdue. The disrespect the women has got to be through. To all the mothers and the sisters and the wives and friends, I wanna offer my love and respect to the end. When you sing a 20-something and I shouldn't be slacking, but I'm working harder than ever. And you can call me back on what the fuck you supposed to do. On the count on the team, I'm the U to the west, I'm the U to the C. You think I'm gonna change your myself just a bit? Rock with the music of classic. You bullshit right, it's made out of plastic. I send my rhymes out to all of the nation. When my melody got the communication, so you can't get more. And you don't stop. When you can't get more, and you don't stop. You know you can't get more, and you don't stop. Keep on and I'm rocking the show shot. Show shot.